My name is Rosson, and I'm researching new techniques and materials to create sustainable textile fibres. My work involves upcycling textile waste to help find a solution that reduces the environmental impact of the textile industry. My PhD has confirmed my passion for research and has opened my eyes to the possibilities of a career inside or outside of academia. I chose to study at Deakin because of their world-class fibre manufacturing facilities, which gave me the opportunity to produce commercial type fibres using large-scale equipment. I hope that my research will help to create new recycled products and a more sustainable future.